Sunday, April 26th. Here's the Astro Excel. This is the monthly chart. Here's the last week of the month. As of the 26th here, we are right around the zero line with the green line. Notice how we're hovering around zero there, peaking out up here at about plus 3.5. And then we start to move down, moving down to the 30th, bottoming out at 11 a.m. and then up through Friday to just above the zero line again. So we just get to below the minus 10 area here late on Thursday. Here's the look at the weekly. For the whole week, you can see how we're just hugging that zero line until we start to make this break downward late Tuesday, where we bottom out at that 11 bottom point just below minus 10 mentioned before. Key spikes that we have, we've got a big spike at 2100 tonight after trading opens. Next one is 7 a.m. Monday morning, then 11. This one here at 1800, then on the 28th, one at 8 a.m. Spike high at 1600. Big spike low at minus 24 here at 2200 on the 28th. Moving into the 29th, we've got the spike high at 7. We've got a flat bottom between 10 and 11. And then we've got another bottom below the minus 20 line here at midnight on the 30th. Spike high here at 1400. And then as we get to Friday, we've got a spike high at plus 20 at 5 a.m. And then we've got a double low, 9, and then again at 1400. And that'll do it for next week's action.